Guys, yeah, I've just got one more pack because I got 100 chem. Look, just look. This is my team. 181. It's a sick team. Yeah. I've got Kareem the Dream on the bench. I'm gonna do this quick, because I keep on letting you guys get updated with all these videos for no reason. Hopefully I get someone good though. I'm just gonna do the zoom in pack. Wait, what? Oh, great, come on. 78. Okay. That was pretty cool in real life. It looks like a pretty cool card, but come on. Kid! Oh my. He's worth peas. He's actually worth peas. Actually, he's not, because this is an untradeable pack, but Lungenberg. Wait. Man, how? What the heck? Come on, man. That's actually that's weird. Oi! Oh my god. I'm just coming up with all the bangers, innit? That big bangers. Oh my god. I mean, that's insane. Kate. Or I don't know how to pronounce his name. But alright. See you guys in a bit. Bye. Peace!